Yeah, guys, I'm currently in Moalboal in the Philippines and just walking around the beach side right now. Yeah, I'm already here for 3 days and we were checking out the snorkeling, the sea turtles, the sardines. We went to Pescador Island. It's a nearby island. You might see it in the back. And here, Moalboal is really beautiful. Currently, we have the high tide, so a lot of seaweed gets here to the beach. But here it changes every day. So tomorrow I might go snorkeling again. It's really good, nice. You walk up into the water for like 10 meters, 50 meters, and if you're lucky, you already see the first sea turtle. And I have seen over the past days maybe 10, 15. That's really awesome. You can swim with them. They're chill dudes, and it's just cool. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe and leave a like, and I will show you a lot of my videos I made about the sea turtles, about the sardines, about all the fish you can see here. It's really beautiful. So if you get the chance to go to the Philippines, go to Moalboal. It's really good. I will most likely come here again for a few more days because it's just beautiful. You can just chill here, and what do you want more? It's like paradise. And the food is good. They got a lot of different kinds of restaurants here. So yeah, let's check it out.